Hey, what's going on, nation? Happy Monday. Today's workout, we have a 10-minute Emom. Now, there's 3 options to it. You're just going to pick one that's going to be based off of you. So it's going to be a 10-minute Emom. In that 1 minute, option 1, it's either 3 burpees and then 5 single arm shoulder to overhead, dumbbell, kettlebell, whatever you have, and that is each arm. And that's all you're going to do in that minute. Option 2 would be a little more, just a few more reps. So this time you do 5 burpees plus 7 single arm shoulder to overhead each minute, and that is each arm. Or if you have a kind of a higher skill level, you have 3 burpees, 3 handstand push-ups. The handstand push-ups work on, if you're pretty efficient at kipping, go strict. If you're pretty good at strict, go deficit kipping. If you're kind of, I wouldn't recommend negatives because that would just obviously turn into just straight falling. So if you have them, cool. If you don't, I would say go here to option 2. And that's it. So you're just going to do those rep schemes within the minute. The first 3 to 4 minutes are going to be pretty, you're going to be, oh, it's not bad. And then 5 will get worse, 6 will get worse. And then 7 through 10 is just hold on for dear life and hope nothing bad happens. And that's it. Other than that, we got some static holds. Now, this whole complex, right, it's 5 minutes long. All the reds are static holds, and then all the black numbers are just going to be a rest period. So it's going to go 50-second hold, 10-second rest, and then 40, 20, 30, 30, 20, 40, and then 10, 50. So your rest period goes up as your work periods are going down. So our first full set would just be wall sit. So you do a 50-second wall sit, then you have 10 seconds to stand up, shake it out, go right into a 40-second wall sit, 20 seconds to stop, shake it out. And then from there, this is just optional, I'm just throwing it out there. If you don't have weighted or it's a little too hard for any of these movements, 30 seconds, your 20 seconds, and your 10-second holds for the wall sit will all be weighted. Whatever you have, plate, kettlebell, child, significant other, just whatever. And then as soon as we're done that 10-second wall sit, you have that 50-second rest, and then we're going right back to the top. So the 50-second hold, this time in the form of a plank, whatever's harder for you. So if forearms are harder for you, do it. If push-up is harder, do it. Same thing, 30, 20, 10, they would go into Superman planks. That's it. And then the next time through, we have just regular Superman holds, which Coach Bernie will show. 50 and 40 would be regular. And then if you have, I would say no more than like 10 pounds each arm, you'll have weighted Superman. So remember in that Superman position, right, Coach Bernie has 2 change plates. If you have some cool cans would work pretty well. Some water bottles. So from here, right, you want to keep that head in the neutral position. Your arms are out, right, hence the Superman. You want to squeeze your glutes to bring those thighs off the floor. It's going to be super easy. You just want to leave your legs on the ground, right, just chillax here, right. Squeeze, I'm pulling my feet off the ground and I'm reaching in that Superman position. And that's it. Pretty easy movement. Other than that, our joint warm-up, it's 2 rounds, 20 seconds each. So we just got some nice, easy neck rotations. Your neck rotations, Coach Bernie is just going to demo them and I'll just talk. Right, so easy neck rotations, move it around. From there, we have these internal, external reaches. With these, right, you're reaching and you're always turning that palm up or down, whatever direction you're going. Try not to just move your palms like that. Right, we're trying to rotate and reach at the same time. From there, we got just some nice, easy arm swings. I don't care how you swing them, just swing them. Whatever the stiffest is, you can do little movements, big movements, cross bodies. I don't really care. Just move those arms around. And then from here, we go into that hip rotation. Now from here, you want to focus on bringing your knee right in line with that hip, if not higher. If you have the mobility, and you're just going to make good old little wax on, wax off circles. 20 seconds one leg, and then we'll go 20 seconds the other. From here, we have a leg extension, right? So your main focus is just driving through your heel. Try not to do just some Mr. Miyagi karate kicks over and over, right? We're just trying to be stable in that hip joint, and then from there, once you're done both legs, we have a static hold. So this time, you're just driving through that leg, focus on squeezing inside the hip to pull your leg up as high as you can. And that will be 20 seconds each leg. So 2 rounds of that, then we just have a quick little general warm-up. It's going to be 30 seconds of any kind of cardio you want. Make it hard 30 seconds if you just want to run. I know if you have a rower, no one's got a rower from here, but some people have rowers I've seen. Bike, mountain climbers, jumping jack, I don't care. Just do something cardio based for 30 seconds hard. When you're done, you have 10 PVC pass-throughs. These are regular, and then 25 feet, approximately 25 feet of a PVC lunge with a reach, right? And what that will look like. Get a good solid lunge, right? As Coach Bernie's lunging down, he's reaching back and up with that PVC, right? So 25 feet, I would say approximately like 6 to 8 steps. And then go back to 30 seconds of cardio, and then you have the same thing, 10 PVC pass-throughs, this time reverse grip. Some of you might have to go wider based on your shoulder mobility, right? So palms facing up. After that, we have 25 feet worth of PVC Cossack squats plus a windmill, right? Same thing, about 6 to 8 of these suckers. So you'll go down one side, down onto the other, stand up, and then hit up a windmill. Boom, rotation, rotation. Coach Bernie will flip over, right? Creating some distance. Cossack squat, up, and then windmill. Perfect. So 1 round of that. Once you guys are done, you have this cool cats and kittens cool down. There's 5 rounds, 20 seconds each, just nice and easy, right? So you just have alternating Cossack squat holds. We just want to sit in that Cossack squat as you guys are sitting in it, right? Focus on pulling that toe towards you as you push your hips down and back. So 10 seconds each, and then you'll go into the standing split hold, right? Get nice and wide, and just sit there for 20 seconds. Here you can move over to one side or the other as you're holding it, and then your split windmills. From there, just hands are planted, nice easy rotation, right? Rotation. When I'm done each round, I'm just gonna lay down, for those that do raw water, the rebound position, either on your back, just lay out flat or on your stomach, and that's it. 20 seconds, do it again. Try and get a little wider and wider each set, and that's it.